Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your password for SingX. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your SingX application from your device. In the sign-in page, you will need to enter your country of residence, email address, and password. If you are having trouble remembering your password, simply tap on Forgot Password link. Choose the correct country of residence from the drop-down and enter the email associated with your SingX account. Once you are done, tap on Send Me Email. Now, you will need to enter the OTP that has been sent to you to your registered email. Enter the new password in the first text box that you would like to reset to, and then go to your inbox to receive an OTP. Open up the OTP that you received and copy it just like that. Go to the verification page and paste in the OTP right there and tap on verify. Now, the next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the newly created password for your account and you will be able to get access back to your account again. So that is how you can easily reset your SingX account's forgotten password. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.